too loud because you don't know if you're going to run into a bad area.
Exactly. That guy has the right idea. Well, Eric, good thing we did not go.
Yeah. There's people out driving. Not that they should be, but they are.
Nobody's watered.
Hey, that's a good idea. Wow.
Yeah, this is the way it was. I mean, I left Tennessee at 9 o'clock and it was like this, and I called from over here and they kept coming in waves. It would like stop for 20 minutes and then start all over again.
At least the sun is out. I mean, that's promising, I guess, right?
Yeah. The sun's out
And it is pouring.
double rainbow. Look at all the water now. Look at that.
Oh, it's coming up on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Wonder if this van's gonna get carried away.
Yeah.
It's like the tsunami.
Look at it bubbling up a little bit.
Guess the drain is full. Look at all that water. Oh, my phone just buzzed. They have some kind of service. Wow, there's water shooting off the balcony up there too.
Yeah, I heard on the radio about this. There was a guy up there on top of the RBC building.
What?
From the news. He was up on the building, on top of the building.
What's that?
And he was just saying that there was a big tornado and lightning and thunder and all that stuff.
It was on top of RBC Center?
Yeah, it was like moving off to the west. That kind of thing.
Pretty brave. Oh! Getting a little lighter. I can almost see like sky and clouds.
What are you doing anyway?
Videotaping?
Oh no.
Not. I don't know, but it's getting pretty late. Do you guys want to run? Or do you not trust it?
I don't want to run. I don't want to fall and bump my face with it.
Well, not, you know, I don't want you to get hurt.
We help you out, so.